The Autoflight Prosperity is an electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) air taxi designed to revolutionize city and regional travel. Using a hybrid, lift and cruise design, it takes off straight up like a helicopter and glides efficiently forward like an airplane. Key features: passenger comfort. Accommodates 1 pilot and 5 passengers in a spacious cabin with panoramic views and dedicated luggage storage. Range and power. Powered by a 173.8 kWh electric battery system, delivering a range of up to 200 kilometers, 124 miles, at cruising altitudes up to 3,000 meters, 9,840 feet. Multi-layered safety. Built with distributed propulsion, self-monitoring systems, independent battery packs, and multiple redundant safety backups for high reliability. Quiet and eco-friendly. Operates with zero in-flight emissions and runs far quieter than a traditional helicopter. By offering fast, quiet, and emission-free flights between city centers and surrounding regions, the Prosperity presents a smart, comfortable blueprint for the future of urban air transit. The Diamond DA62 is a modern, high-performance twin-engine aircraft built to make personal and business travel smoother and far more efficient. Crafted from lightweight yet extremely durable carbon composite materials, it seats up to 7 passengers while keeping operating costs remarkably low. Key highlights: twin-engine power. Driven by 2 180-horsepower Austro engine A330 turbocharged jet fuel engines featuring digital controls for reliable, efficient performance. Impressive speed and range. Cruising at speeds up to 192 knots, it offers a maximum range of 1,288 nautical miles with auxiliary fuel tanks installed. Luxurious cabin. Designed with spacious seating, panoramic windows, and ample room for luggage to ensure maximum passenger comfort on long trips. Advanced avionics. Features the Garmin G1000NXi flight deck, giving pilots exceptional situational awareness and precise navigation. By combining low fuel consumption, a sleek composite airframe, and top-tier flight technology, the DA62 delivers luxury, safety, and versatility for pilot owners and charter flights alike. The Kodiak 100 Series 3 by Daher is a rugged, single-engine turboprop engineered to fly where ordinary airplanes simply cannot go. Built to handle extreme conditions, it effortlessly transitions between passenger transport, heavy cargo hauling, humanitarian relief, and personal adventure travel. Key highlights: exceptional STOL performance. Short takeoff and landing, STOL capabilities let it operate easily from unpaved gravel strips, grass fields, and remote backcountry terrain. Dependable power. Driven by a Pratt & Whitney PT6A34 engine, reaching cruise speeds up to 183 knots with a range of 1,132 nautical miles. Versatile and spacious cabin. Seats up to 10 occupants with a flexible layout, plus optional amphibious floats for water landings. Modern avionics. Features the Garmin G1000NXi flight deck, equipped with synthetic vision and advanced navigation to maximize pilot situational awareness. Combining heavy-duty durability with modern technology, the Kodiak 100 Series 3 stands out as the ultimate workhorse for challenging backcountry missions. The Lilium Jet is an all-electric, vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft designed to revolutionize regional travel. Using an innovative ducted electric vectored thrust system, it lifts straight into the air like a helicopter before smoothly transitioning to forward flight like an airplane. Key features: passenger capacity. Built to comfortably carry up to 6 passengers alongside 1 pilot for short-haul regional flights. Speed and range. Cruises at roughly 175 miles per hour with an operational range exceeding 155 miles on a single charge. Quiet and eco-friendly. Its all-electric engines produce zero emissions and operate with a remarkably low noise signature, making it ideal for urban travel without disturbing city residents. Advanced design. Combines a lightweight composite structure with smart flight controls to ensure smooth handling and high safety standards. By delivering fast, whisper-quiet, and zero-emission transit, the Lilium Jet opens up a whole new way to connect cities while cutting down on regional travel times. The PAL V Liberty is a groundbreaking, fly-drive vehicle that effortlessly bridges the gap between driving and flying. Built for 2 passengers, this versatile machine operates as a fully street-legal car on the highway and transforms into a certified gyroplane in just about 5 minutes. Key specs and features: quick transformation. Switches seamlessly between drive and flight modes at an airfield in roughly 5 minutes. On the road, reaches driving speeds up to 160 km per hour, 100 miles per hour, with an impressive highway range of 1,315 kilometers, 817 miles. In the air, cruises through the sky at speeds up to 180 kilometers per hour, 112 miles per hour, covering 400 to 500 kilometers at altitudes up to 11,000 feet. Reliable power, driven by dual Rotax engines and an ultra-stable gyroplane rotor system for safe, efficient travel. By blending flexible highway travel with personal flight, the PAL V Liberty gives a practical, exciting preview of the future of personal air mobility. The Otto Aerospace Phantom 3500 is a futuristic business jet designed to make private aviation faster, cleaner, and far more efficient. Built with lightweight carbon fiber, its advanced aerodynamic airframe dramatically cuts air resistance to lower fuel use and operating costs. Key features: ultra-efficient performance, cuts fuel consumption and emissions by over 60%, with a range of 3,500 nautical miles at altitudes up to 51,000 feet. Supernatural vision system, replaces traditional cabin windows with high-definition digital screens, strengthening the jet's body while giving passengers panoramic views. Spacious cabin, designed to carry up to 9 passengers in high-tech comfort over long distances. Smart engineering, uses laminar flow design and carbon fiber construction to maximize flight efficiency and lower costs. Currently working toward certification, the Phantom 3500 offers a compelling look at the future of sustainable, high-performance air travel. The Pilatus PC-12 Pro is a versatile single-engine turboprop designed to handle everything from executive travel and family vacations to cargo transport and remote missions. Powered by a dependable Pratt & Whitney PT6 engine, it balances impressive cruising speeds and long range with impressive fuel efficiency. Key features: short field capability, easily takes off and lands on short, unpaved airstrips, granting access to remote locations standard planes can't reach. Upgraded avionics, features the Garmin G3000 Prime flight deck, equipping pilots with intuitive touchscreens and smart automation for smoother, safer flights. Refined cabin experience, offers a spacious, light-filled interior with comfortable seating, large windows, and generous luggage capacity. Multi-mission flexibility, quickly adapts between passenger transport and heavy cargo hauling. By pairing rugged off-piste performance with modern technology and a luxurious cabin, the PC-12 Pro offers flexible, efficient personal and business travel. The Piper M700 Fury is a high-performance turboprop designed to elevate both private and business travel. Blending speed, luxury, and versatile performance, it makes long-distance trips fast, efficient, and comfortable. Key highlights: exceptional speed and range. Powered by a 700-horsepower Pratt & Whitney PT6A52 engine, it cruises at up to 301 knots with a maximum range of 1,424 nautical miles. Premium cabin comfort. Features a pressurized cabin that seats up to 6 passengers, crafted specifically to deliver a smooth, quiet ride on long flights. Advanced avionics. Built with the modern Garmin G3000 flight deck, providing pilots with intelligent automation, intuitive navigation, and superior situational awareness. Runway flexibility. Capable of taking off and landing on shorter runways, giving travelers access to smaller regional airports closer to their final destinations. By combining impressive power, smart aviation technology, and top-tier luxury, the M700 Fury stands out as a flexible and dependable choice for modern personal aviation. The Skyfly Axe is transforming personal aviation by blending the flexibility of a helicopter with the speed of an airplane. This two-person, all-electric aircraft can take off vertically or from short runways, then transition into forward flight. Key highlights: versatile takeoff. Can launch straight up or use ultra-short runways, smoothly shifting into fixed-wing flight. 8 electric motors. Powered by 8 motors generating a combined 280 kilowatts peak output for steady performance. Impressive range and speed. Cruising speeds reach roughly 100 miles per hour with an all-electric range over 100 miles. Practical capacity. Supports a maximum takeoff weight of 750 kilograms with a 200 kilogram payload capacity. Enough for 2 passengers and gear. Panoramic view. Features a wide, high-visibility cockpit for panoramic views during flight. Eco-friendly and quiet. Electric power cuts operating noise and eliminates emissions entirely by offering a quiet, zero-emission ride in a compact frame. The Skyfly Axe makes everyday personal flight cleaner and far more accessible. The Skyleader 600 is a sleek, all-metal light sport aircraft engineered for everything from basic flight training to cross-country adventures. Featuring a striking low-wing design and a surprisingly spacious 2-seat cabin, it provides the perfect balance of long-distance comfort, efficiency, and dependable airborne performance. Key features: efficient power. It offers several reliable Rotax engine options ranging from 80 to 115 horsepower, ensuring highly economical operation without sacrificing capability in the sky. Impressive range. The aircraft comfortably cruises at around 220 kilometers per hour and boasts a generous fuel capacity, unlocking a maximum range of up to 1,300 kilometers for extended journeys with fewer stops. Customizable build. Owners can tailor the aircraft to their specific needs, choosing between standard fixed landing gear or a retractable setup for enhanced aerodynamics. Modern safety and tech. Outfitted with advanced avionics, Fowler flaps for superior low-speed handling, and an optional ballistic rescue parachute system to maximize pilot and passenger safety. Whether you are a student pilot mastering the basics of flight or an experienced aviation enthusiast embarking on a long-distance weekend getaway, the Skyleader 600 proves that thoughtful aircraft design can seamlessly combine everyday utility, modern safety, and pure flying enjoyment. Vertical Aerospace Valo is an all-electric aircraft designed to revolutionize short-distance regional travel. Combining vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) capabilities with fixed-wing forward flight, it offers a fast, quiet, and eco-friendly alternative to ground traffic. Key highlights: impressive performance. Holds up to 6 passengers, cruises at 150 miles per hour, and reaches a range of 100 miles on a single charge. Smart engineering. Built with a lightweight composite airframe, 8 carbon composite propellers, and advanced digital flight controls for a smooth, reliable ride. Comfortable cabin. Features a spacious interior with comfortable seating and generous luggage room for everyday travel. Zero emissions. Engineered to meet strict aviation safety standards while operating with zero direct carbon emissions. By blending the versatility of a helicopter with the speed and efficiency of an airplane, the Valo offers a promising glimpse into the future of clean air mobility. The Cirrus Vision Jet G3 elevates personal aviation by blending high-end luxury, advanced technology, and top-tier safety. Driven by a Williams International turbofan engine and styled with its signature V-tail, this single-engine jet makes private air travel faster, smoother, and more accessible. Key highlights: performance and range. Reaches a max cruise speed of 317 knots and flies up to 31,000 feet, covering ranges up to 1,275 nautical miles. Cabin comfort. Seats up to 7 people, including the pilot, in a spacious, modern cabin featuring panoramic windows and premium finishes. Advanced avionics. Features the Garmin Perspective Touch Plus flight deck, giving pilots intuitive control and crystal-clear navigation. Unmatched safety. Equipped with the iconic Cirrus airframe parachute system, CAPS, and safe return emergency autoland, which can land the plane automatically in an emergency. By combining impressive speed with groundbreaking safety features, the Vision Jet offers a premium, reassuring flight experience for both pilots and passengers. The Whisk Gen 6 is an all-electric, autonomous air taxi designed to make regional travel faster, cleaner, and pilot-free. Ground operators continuously monitor each flight, allowing 4 passengers to soar above city traffic safely and quietly. Key highlights: self-flying design. Operates autonomously without a pilot on board while relying on ground-based operators and multi-layered safety systems to prevent failures. Smart propulsion. Uses a 12-propeller system, tilting front rotors for vertical takeoff and landing, combined with fixed rear rotors for fast, smooth forward flight. Speed and range. Cruises at roughly 120 knots, approximately 138 miles per hour, with a 90-mile range, including reserves, perfect for quick regional hops. Passenger comfort. Offers a roomy cabin equipped with panoramic windows, dedicated luggage storage, and onboard Wi-Fi. By pairing electric performance with autonomous engineering, the Whisk Gen 6 provides a practical look at the future of urban air mobility.